to organize your contacts automatically in Systeme.io? In this video, I'll show you how to add tags using automation in just a few easy steps. Step 1. First, log into your Systeme.io account and go to Contacts. Create a new tag if you haven't already, such as Lead, Customer, or Free ebook. Step 2. Next, open the funnel or form where people subscribe. Scroll down to the Automation Rules section and click Add Rule. Step 3. Choose a trigger like Funnel Step Form Subscribed. This means the automation will run whenever someone submits that form. Step 4. Now click Add Action and select Add Tag. Choose the tag you created earlier and save the automation rule. Step 5. Test everything by submitting the form yourself. Then open the contact record and confirm that the tag has been applied automatically. That's it. Your contacts will now be tagged automatically, making it much easier to organize leads and trigger future automations. If you'd like to start building smart funnels and automations with Systeme.io, check out the link in the description. And if this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.